Hello, what's up guys, it's Maestro here. Welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm just here to tell you guys that you are missing out a lot. If you are still believing that a Telegram airdrop is going to change your life, you are missing a lot. A lot has changed. A lot of people have left the Telegram airdrop era to making something unique for themselves. People are now turning to streamers and they are making a cool cash for themselves. See guys, I've told you about this Mimoon app that you don't need any followers. I've received a question in my comment section. Someone was asking me, did she need a follower? Did she need for her to have a subscriber so that she's going to meet up with a criteria like YouTube where they will tell you to get up to 1,000 subscribers and up to 4,000 watch hours before you are going to get monetized and start being paid. But right here in Mimoon, they say no to all these things. What they're asking you to do right here is very simple. Just come and on your camera. Once you on your camera, we don't even want to care if someone is watching you or someone is not watching you. You are going to be paid for just coming out live to stream. Of course, people are going to get notification that someone like this is actually online and is streaming. If they want to watch, fine. If they don't want to watch, fine. What you just need to know is that Mimoon is now going to pay you for streaming in their app. Okay guys, let me quickly show you a live example of what is currently going on in Mimoon app and how people are using this platform to earn income for themselves. Okay, look at this very beautiful lady right here. Okay, let me use this particular person as an example. Let me just select this particular streamer here. Now guys, if you watch closely, you will see that she's literally not doing anything. She's just showing her face right here. You get, she's just showing her face. She's not dancing, she's not talking, she's not teaching you anything. She's just looking at you, but she's streaming online. She's just following the rules that knows that once she come out online and she's streaming, she's gonna get paid. Okay, so you can decide to be showing that you are cooking, you can decide to be showing that you are working in your office, or you are doing something very unique. If you have the talent, you can go ahead and do it. It's not even must that you are going to do all these things. Okay, look at another example right here. This particular lady, she's a copper, as you can see right there. Now, what is she doing? You can see she's not talking. She's not even teaching you anything. She's just looking around. So why not just grab this opportunity and use it to earn income for yourself? Okay, look at, she's just walking about, she's just talking to herself. And if you watch her list currently, you can see that she's not even saying anything. And you can see people are even watching. Okay, just few people are even watching. But at the end of the day, she's going to get paid for doing all these things in Mimoon app. Okay, so guys, this is not even why I'm making this video today. The reason why I'm making this video is because there is a special event that Mimoon has just launched currently, where you're going to earn income for yourself by inviting any active streamer to their platform. So how do you start? It's very easy. Pay very close attention. First, click the link in this video comment section. That is my referral link. That is where you are going to get started for you to get the app. Mind you, if you use my referral link, you're going to get your own personal bonus. Now, the first thing you're going to do once you have launched the app and the app is now ready for you is for you to invite a streamer. A streamer is anybody that has a phone and can on the camera like the way you can see that lady doing there. Anyone that can just go online and stream is a streamer. So your friend can be a streamer. Even your mom, your friend, your siblings, your classmates, they can be a streamer. So if you can just invite one or two of them, you are going to stand a chance to earn 1 USDT to 2 USDT for yourself. And if this streamer that you invited is also good at what he's doing, you are going to stand a chance to earn up to $1,000 per month. So it's very easy for you to earn income right now, depending on how the streamer is performing. Yeah, how well the streamer is performing. So you can even collaborate with your friend. You can tell your friend, okay, let's use this particular app to earn income for ourselves, and then both of you can start making income for yourself as soon as possible. Like I said, you don't need to have any special skills. What you just need to do is to on your phone camera, and once you do that, stay up to like 4 or 5 hours daily. You can even stay up to like 20 hours if you want to, but you can do 5 hours daily for like 1 week, and then a short 30 or 40 USDT will be available for you. Okay, remember also, if you have the ability to invite more people, there is no limitation, there is no limit. You can invite up to 1 million persons if you want to. So just go ahead, invite someone that is a good streamer and then even you too, you can also be earning while you are streaming. Okay, okay, let me quickly withdraw my own funds right here, because I've already made up to 20 USDT in this particular app, and I'll be showing how to make your withdrawal. Okay, first click on my account. Please don't click on exchange, click on my account, then click on these beans right here. Click on that 20,000. My own is showing 20,000. Your own can be anything. Then click on, just wait for it to show you withdraw, then go ahead and click on that withdraw. Please don't click on exchange. Okay, then come over right here and input the amount of money that you wish to withdraw. Like I said, I'll be withdrawing all my funds today because I really deserve it. Okay, so I'll input my 20 USDT in this withdrawal amount, but before that, ensure that you have bind a wallet address you can get from your KuCoin or from your Bybit. Okay, so click on withdraw right here. I already did that when I was making my video on how to use the app, so you can go ahead and watch it. Now I've made my withdrawal right here. Okay, so right now guys, we'll be waiting for the notification for them to show us what is ongoing. Okay, we come over, you can see these charts right here. I think they have already dropped me an update concerning my withdrawal. This what is it called, official assistance right here. You click on it. Okay, you're going to see, okay, these are details. So it's going to take 24 hours for you to withdraw, and then you can see, if I check details right here, that the withdrawal is now successful. They have already sent me the sum of 8.76 USDT. So they will take about 1 point something USDT as a commission. As you can see right here in my Bybit account right here, I've received the same sum of 18.76 USDT. Okay, so this is the notification right here in Bybit. Okay, so 8.76 USDT has been successfully deposited in my account. Okay, so this is the money right here. As you can see guys, is actually paying. Like I said, you are not doing anything. You are just on your camera, you're not teaching. But in case you have any special skill or any talent or anything that can engage somebody that you have, you can go ahead and add it. Okay guys, I'll be stopping right here in this video. Remember, if you have any question to ask, always feel free to leave your question in this video comment section. Then I will do well to attend to your question as soon as possible. Okay, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated anytime I make or upload a new video. So start using Mimoon app, come out live and show yourself, and then start making massive income for yourself by just streaming online. See you in my next video guys. Bye.